This is why double yellow lines are there for a reason, and we all should respect them. This biker was involved in a hit-and-run accident after the truck driver decided to cut lanes without any awareness of his surroundings. Unfortunately, biker said that he never found out who the driver was. Unfortunate thing happened to this biker when distracted driver almost ran him over. Luckily, damages and injuries were minimal. He said that it could be a lot worse if just a few small things went different.
Oh, hey! Dude! Holy shit! Whew! Oh, it's okay, you didn't hit me anything. Oh, it just scared the shit out of me. Whoa. Oh, yeah, no, nothing hit, I don't think. I'm just, whew. Wow. That's the first time that's ever happened. Let me see if I can get the bike up.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, let me just get my gloves off. Whew. Thank you very much. Oh, man. Hold me up.
Take that. That's called sliding out the back tire.
What are you doing?
This biker found for what he thought was injured bird. Watch till the end to see unexpected outcome.
Hey buddy, I'm gonna put you over there on the other side. I'm gonna get that little bird. Don't step on that bird. You. What are you doing? Should I just take you home? Do you think you can make it? Am I taking this little bird home? Okay, I guess I am. Let me see, if I put you here, stay there, okay? You're gonna have to have a little bit of a ride. I guess I found the baby bird. Let me see if I can make it home. I'm gonna go nice and slow. Hey, come here, I have something for you. Oh, she's okay. Good girl. I found a bird that's hurt. Yeah.
Poor baby.
Yeah, I think she might have got hit by a car. You have to be very careful. She might be hurt.
Oh,
Tava na estrada, carro quase pisaram.
good job!
Well, that worked. I fell.
They done f***ed up. Oh, they really f***ed up. I'd help, but I'm not getting paid, so.
This biker said that alarm set off in the warehouse, which triggered cops to come. Luckily, there were cool cops and there was no misunderstanding.
Was that one of the buildings just now?
Was I in one of them?
Yeah.
No, there was a semi-truck that was here unloading.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is that your pickup?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is? Okay. Is that an Iron Man themed bike?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
A lot of times we need permission to drive those.
These bikes?
Because it doesn't have a plate.
I have the plate in my truck.
Yeah.
I just took it off for the videoing.
Oh, what are you doing?
I just record my progress.
How's that?
I mean, I'm doing pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Can you do wheelies and stuff?
Yeah, that's why I come out here, just to practice.
Believe it or not, this is private property.
Yeah.
Unless you get somebody's permission.
These guys here, for the last 2 years, they've been okay with it.
Okay.
I talked to them when I first started coming.
Share a bunch of units.
Yeah, yeah.
Just in case, all right?
Okay.
All right, take care, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Good luck with your progress.
Thank you, thank you.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.